that they're engaged in all kinds of humanitarian activities. And we should begin by conceding that to some degree that's true. There is indeed a long and honorable Sikh tradition of seva and of service to the community, feeding the poor, helping in disasters. We cannot dismiss that as though it's all fraudulent and fictitious. It isn't. Much of it is real and genuine, and it is in keeping with Sikh traditions as they really are. The problem, of course, is always that is when it latches on to the political cause of an independent state of Khalistan, then it gets corrupted, money gets siphoned off. There have been some very alarming court cases in Ontario and Canada, for example, the Ontario Khalsa Dabar case, where money was being siphoned off to who knows what cause, but it wasn't one that you or I would sanction. It was being siphoned off by Khalistanis for their own purposes. And it's very hard to disentangle enterprises which are very cunningly designed to put up a front operation saying, all we are is a Sikh charity. And it's very hard to discover sometimes exactly where that money is going because it isn't accountable. People go in the Gurdwara, they put some money in. Who's counting it? Where does it go? Where is the transparency? And the answer is to pursue transparency. The answer is in your Gurdwara, in your neighborhood, will you run a slate of candidates for the management of that Gurdwara, which will pledge itself to providing that transparency? To say, where is the money going? Here are the public accounts. They have been audited by the accountant who's here to answer your questions. Now that would be an advance.
Yes.
And sadly, that is not